of injury to the elderly. This arrest stems from an assault that occurred in the lobby of LPD headquarters on Thursday, July 24th, just after 10 a.m. The victim in this case is a registered sex offender, 67-year-old Stephen Sardinta, who was at headquarters for a routine check-in when the incident occurred. A complaint was filed by Sardinta through the department's online portal that same day. After receiving the complaint and an initial review, there was evidence a criminal component could be at play, prompting an investigation by the Lubbock Metropolitan Special Crimes Unit on August 5th. Based on the allegations and after review of the circumstances and evidence, Diaz-Gonzalez was placed on administrative leave on August 6th. Following further investigation, the case was presented to the Lubbock County District Attorney's Office on Monday, August 11th, and a warrant was issued for his arrest just after 1 o'clock this afternoon. The arrest took place here at headquarters without incident, and Diaz-Gonzalez was transported to the Lubbock County Detention Center. An internal investigation by the Office of Professional Standards is underway. Diaz-Gonzalez was first hired by the LPD in February of 2018 and was later assigned as the department's Civilian Sex Offender Registration Coordinator in July of 2023. I would like to take this time to establish that we as law enforcement officials must be held to the highest of standards. As such, our objectivity and decision-making must be at the forefront of each and every effort. Allegations levied against our personnel, both sworn and civilian, are reviewed and investigated regardless of the complaining party's societal status. At this time, I would like to open up to any questions. Please understand that while an arrest warrant has been issued, both the criminal and administrative investigations are ongoing, so I may be limited in any additional information that I can provide. Any questions?
Yes. What prompted the incident?
That would have been initiated by a verbal disturbance that turned into a physical altercation.
Yes, sir. And another question, does the employee have any history of complaints with the board?
No, sir. We don't have that at this time.
I just wanted to clarify, the employee, was he a licensed peace officer or a civilian employee?
He was a civilian employee at the time.
And then before the verbal altercation, were there any criminal trespass warnings or anything? Is that kind of what prompted the encounter?
No, sir. This would have been a routine sex offender registrant check-in.
Was the man injured?
My understanding is it was minor in nature. Anything else?
What sort of verbal altercation was this?
This would have been a back and forth between the two individuals during the information that was being provided and then returned from the sex offender registrant to our coordinator. Anything else? Nothing?
Who initiated contact in the altercation?
Obviously, that's part of the ongoing investigation. What it lent to was the charge that was filed.
And were there any witnesses to the incident?
That's obviously under investigation. We have video evidence, as usual, because of the nature of the contact. And our officers, as well as civilian personnel, who are issued body cameras for these specific events in contact with the public, are required to record all interactions.